Most car problems don't start as major problems. They often begin with something small. A slightly worn tire, a strange vibration, a warning light, or a small change in the way the car drives. The problem is, ignoring these early signs can sometimes turn a simple repair into a much more expensive one. It's easy to ignore small problems. The car still starts. It still drives. And if nothing looks seriously wrong, there seems to be no reason to visit a garage. But cars are systems made up of many components working together. A small problem in one area can eventually affect another. The longer a problem is left untreated, the greater the chance that additional components may become involved. What could have been a relatively simple maintenance job can eventually require more parts, more labor, and more time. That's where the hidden cost of ignoring a small car problem begins. Tires are one of the easiest examples. Drivers may notice uneven tread wear, a small vibration, or incorrect tire pressure, and simply continue driving. But tires are the only part of the vehicle that directly connects the car to the road. So their condition matters for safety, handling, and efficiency. A tire doesn't have to be completely flat to become a problem. Low pressure, uneven wear, damage to the sidewall, or a tread problem can gradually affect how the vehicle behaves. That's why regular visual checks and correct tire pressure are simple habits worth maintaining. Now consider an electric vehicle. At first glance, its tires may look no different from the tires on a conventional car. But EVs can place different demands on them. Their battery packs can make the vehicles heavier, while electric motors can deliver strong torque almost instantly. The additional weight of an EV means its tires have to carry a greater load. That doesn't automatically mean the tires will wear quickly, but it does mean that selecting the correct tire specification and maintaining the tires properly becomes especially important. Then there's instant torque. Press the accelerator in an electric car, and the motor can respond immediately. That quick acceleration is one of the most enjoyable parts of driving an EV. But aggressive acceleration can also put additional stress on the tires. This is why tire wear deserves attention. If you notice the tread wearing unevenly or faster than expected, don't simply wait until the tire reaches the end of its life. The wear pattern may be telling you something about tire pressure, alignment, suspension, or driving habits. EV owners also have another reason to pay attention to tires: efficiency. Some EV tires are designed with low rolling resistance to reduce the energy needed to move the vehicle. Since an electric car relies on stored battery energy, tire efficiency can have an impact on overall energy consumption. There's another difference that is easy to overlook: noise. Electric cars are extremely quiet compared with many petrol and diesel vehicles, especially at lower speeds. Because there is less engine noise, tire and road noise can become more noticeable. Some EV tires are therefore designed with noise reduction in mind. Choosing tires isn't simply about finding the cheapest option that fits the wheel. The correct load rating, size, speed rating, and vehicle compatibility all matter. For an EV, the tire should be appropriate for the demands of that particular vehicle. When a tire finally needs replacing, convenience becomes another consideration. Traditionally, you drive the car to a tire shop, but if the tire is badly damaged or flat, getting the vehicle there can be difficult. That's where mobile tire fitting comes in. Instead of taking the vehicle to the workshop, a technician brings equipment to the vehicle. Depending on the service, this can happen at your home, workplace, or another suitable location. But mobile fitting doesn't mean every car can simply be lifted in exactly the same way. Electric vehicles can have specific lifting points, and technicians need to know where those points are. Using the wrong lifting position could damage components underneath the vehicle. Replacing the tire is only part of the job. The wheel should also be properly balanced. An imbalance can create vibrations and contribute to uneven wear. On a quiet EV, those vibrations and road noises may be particularly noticeable. Wheel alignment is another area that shouldn't be ignored. If the wheels aren't correctly aligned, tires can wear unevenly and the vehicle may not feel right on the road. Catching alignment problems early can help prevent unnecessary tire replacement. And this brings us back to the original problem. Ignoring a small issue doesn't necessarily make the issue disappear. A worn tire can become a safety problem. Incorrect pressure can contribute to uneven wear. Poor alignment can damage tires faster. And a small vibration may be an early warning that something else needs attention. The good news is that many of these problems are easy to catch. Check your tire pressure regularly. Look at the tread and sidewalls. Pay attention to new noises or vibrations. And if something feels different, have it inspected before the problem becomes worse. Whether you drive a petrol car, a diesel, or an electric vehicle, the principle is the same. Small problems are easiest and cheapest to deal with when you catch them early. And for EV owners, tires deserve particular attention because of the vehicle's weight, instant torque, efficiency requirements, and unique servicing considerations. Taking a few minutes to check your car today could save you much more time and money later.